What's up, guys? It's Batsu here. Now, as some of you know, I used to be a customer before I became an employee of VapeWild. Now, one of my favorite things about, shopping at VapeWild were those bonus bottles that you would get with every single order. Getting the Vape It Forward, the mystery flavor, and that other 10 mil just because they could. I mean, it was awesome. Man, that's how I would get my friends to get hooked on VapeWild. Then they would go and tell their friends, and then so on and so forth. Well, that's over, unfortunately. We are getting rid of the 10 milliliter bottles. It's been a good run, but unfortunately we found that it wasn't effective.
So we're bumping all the bonus bottles up to 30 mils for the month of October.
I'm totally serious. Yo, I was bugging, and then I was like, I walked up to Dave and I was like, yo, Dave, are you seriously bumping up 30 mil? Yes, we're totally bumping it up to 30 mil. Are you for real? Yo, Batu, stop it. Just stop. How many times have you had the mystery flavor and you're like, man, this is so good. I'm vaping it too quick. And then you also had the 10 milliliter and you were like, oh, this is such a great flavor. I'm loving this Sherbinator, but I don't have enough of it. Well, it's a wrap, Jack.
That means the mystery flavor, the Vape It Forward that you give to a friend, and the extra bottle, all three of your bonus bottles. Look at it, in your bag, 30 mils, make you dance, dance,
None of this less is more nonsense. More is more, more is more. Do you see the excitement in my face? I'm sorry, excuse myself, I'm just a little excited. I just had to let you guys know about the news of all this juice greatness, all this juicy greatness. Okay, so ready yourself. VapeWild just got a whole lot better. But you're gonna wanna place your orders this month because this is only for October for now, okay? So get them while they last so you can make it rain in your tank, you know what I'm saying? You gotta make the juice just, so you know what I'm saying? Just go, no, juicy juice, yum yum, it's good.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. Check out our other videos here, and don't forget to subscribe.